So I thank you for inviting the company. First of all, it's the second event of Change to Twin. We participate and we are very glad to do it. So I will present from our side the experiment we did. It's not a very technical presentation. As Frank told, every company that has no other experience on digital twins has to start with a small project. I was seeing the other time the Formula 1 digital twins, and I'm thinking that ours is not just small, it's just a tiny, but it was very helpful, it was very beneficial for my company. So I was the project manager of the company. I will tell you a little bit about the company, and I have a small video to show you so you can check the manufacturing procedure we have and one we did for the digital twin. Our company is more than 50 years. We are 50 years in the sector of offset printing and in the last 5 years also in digital printing. And our vision is to become the first printing company that comes in everyone's mind. The company is B2B, but we want to go also to the B2C sector. And most of our companies are located in Greece, but we also want to expand our customers abroad. So there's a small video. Unfortunately, it's in Greek, but there are English subtitles, so you can see. No, I will. Maybe I can play it on the computer. No, we need to press the play button. Okay, good. Okay, we can skip it if it's not playing. Okay, we can skip it, don't worry. So, what was the motivation before we started the digital twin? We know that we can print, that's what our business, but we also know our weaknesses. And that's why actually we wanted to optimize everything. And since we are a manufacturing company, we want to optimize our productions. And that's also the spirit, I think, to every manufacturing company who doesn't want to optimize the production because there are many benefits out of it. So we are focusing on different tasks in the production. The first one is better scheduling. The second one is less defects. And the third one is green printing. Also, so that we can use also digital twins for greener companies. As mentioned before, we didn't have any previous experiences. That was the first time. And when we find out the proposal on the Change to Twin project, we thought it was a good idea to make it. So in our production, we have 3 different printing phases. The first one is called the pre-press because it's before the main printing procedure. The second one is the press, and the third one is the pre-press. So we decided to focus and make a digital twin in the second phase because this is actually the one who is more expensive in the cost of the company. The company has invested and spent many money in digital transformation, and we have high-tech management information systems and ERP systems. We have also already collected a lot of data, and we use this data in the digital twin. The fact that we have very good systems, immersive systems, it means that most of the procedures are made by the machines, but not all. So when we started to thinking about what to do in the digital twin, first we made the process landscape. This is actually all the procedures that are taking place in the company, and we did it with our mentor, which is company BOC from Austria. And then we needed to focus in just one procedure because we didn't have time to make many digital twins. We just picked one procedure which was, let's say, problematic for us, and we thought it would be very good to optimize it. So we decided to make a decision-making algorithm to reproduce in a digital twin. And this is actually because our printing order is unique for each customer. So we will have to process every day many different printing orders. And because we have 3 printing phases, 3 printing stages, and let's say 3 printing different kind of machines. Before the digital twin, there was just a single person who had to arrange each job to each printing machine, and this was not optimized. And not only not optimized, it may be a problem if the person was ill or couldn't come in the job one time, and there are different type of problems like this. So this was the first approach we did. As mentioned, we had already collected many data from the information systems we have. This is the data set we used to make the digital twin. We started by extracting the data in Microsoft Excel, and we had our data scientists to make some commands in Python, so to combine and separate different kind of jobs. And we use Adonis, which is a transformation and online transformation suite from the company BOC. So we had to model 3 components. The first one was the features and the specification of each printing order. The second one was the cost computation, because the machine hour cost is very big, so we had to compute the machine costs. And we used the past data of actual decisions. Actually, for us, we just used the orders we had from the last year before we made the digital twin. This is a short view of the table that was before we used the data to the platform. This is in Excel format. And this is the final digital twin model in the Adonis platform of BOC. So how we tested, we got about 1,000 different printing jobs we had from our data. And then we started to make observations and likelihoods in all this data. So we have some very interesting facts, which we can take advantage of it in order to optimize the procedures. And the final KPIs was that we can achieve, using the digital twin, up to 5% cost reduction. And off the record for the company, this is about 10,000 euros per month, the cost reduction. And also we can achieve up to 5% increase in the efficiency of the production. Of course, we can achieve better scheduling with automated processes by digital twin. We have less waiting time in productions. We have overall production optimizations. And also, there's a very good fact that we can use this digital twin, which is already built in the platform, for even future data sets. And also, because the company is thinking of buying a new machine, we can use the same digital twin. So for the new equipment, we can make different kind of simulations. Another benefits we have after we finish the digital twin project is that we have made a 6-minute video to promote the digital twin we have. We send a dedicated newsletter to our customers. We send press releases. And 2 months ago, we were being invited in one of the biggest data conferences as speakers, because everybody knows that. And actually, it's not the fact that we were on the very few companies that have digital twins. It was the first printing company that had this digital twin in Greece. That's all.